to cool, and now warm. Alrighty, how's it going? For today, I just received my packages that I ordered. I was really excited. As you can tell, I switched it up with the front-facing camera. So now it looks like you're sitting directly across from me, next to a brand new desk as well. It took me a little while to figure out how I want to make my videos in the future. I wanted to bring all this newness in 2019, but I can't wait any longer. I just want to do it right now. Anyways, right in front of me is a new lighting kit. As you can tell right here on the sides, there's little glows. That is because I have these right here. I think these were like $12 a piece, and obviously having a little bit of a glow there gives it a little better effect. It does have a sharp light to it, but that's just for now. But this right here is going to be something different, and I ordered two of them because I need two sides. And one of my buddies came over and actually showed me this light, and I wanted it. I was like, oh my god, this is something that I want. So shout out to Edgar. As you can see, it's a wide panel. Let's compare it to this little guy here. I think the one on my right hand is $12 and this was $38, so you can see the difference. And this will also come with the battery and lots of information in the back. It gets really bright though. Look at that. You can dim it down. Okay, what else are we getting in this box? Here you can see the battery for it. We also have a mounting kit. Obviously this will slide on the top of your camera. Here is the charger. So all this, there's even an LED working right now before I even plug this guy out, letting you know that it's fully charged. So I'm excited to use this. And this is indeed thin. There's a dial for turning up and down the brightness, and then even clicking will turn the color temperature. And there's the AC power adapter, so you can plug it in always and never run out of battery. And the bottom has a tripod hookup. So now let's do the first plug-in. So we're gonna swiggle it in, lock it into place just like that. This is what it looks like. It feels pretty heavy. Like, it does not feel like it's hollow and light. I don't know if that's necessarily a good thing, but I do like that it doesn't feel cheap in the hand. And now we're gonna press the power here. So we're gonna switch the switch, and you can see, woo! Here it says it's at 4400K, so if you click down into it, we'll be able to change the temperature. You can see that it'll go up to 5600K. So the color temperature, look at the blue, and then you can see the color change. Now it's warm, and now it's blue. Warm, and blue. I really like that it shows all that temperature, and just as a click, that's the brightness. I'm going up, and wow, does that get super bright. I do have some front lights from my monitors. I'm using my monitor light, so let's turn this off. Okay, pay attention to the lighting here. I'm going to turn off my front monitor, and then there's another monitor on top, and you can see that's the lighting in this condition right now. I mean, it's not completely dark in this room because there is light coming in from the windows, but this is what it looks like without any of those lights. And let's lift it, and this is at 20%. So that is the current condition of 20% with 56K. Obviously, I don't want any desk glow like that, so I'm gonna have to figure out where I'm gonna put this, if this is gonna be a side one. But I can set this further apart when I get the tripods. I also ordered tripods, they'll be coming in. I'll make a video on that. So I'm gonna set this in the background. You can see that gives it a cool new glow, and I'm gonna dim it down to 20%. Now let's turn it off. Where's the off button? And off. So there's nothing, there's 20%. Now I'm gonna do it all the way to 100%, that is 100, and then let's turn it off, and let's turn it on. Now let me try the temperature here. Now that's the different temperature change, and let me go to cool, and now warm. Wow, what a difference. As you can see, that looks super cool. You get more contrast color with warm temperature, and then you get a brighter, more detailed, I guess, in that sense. Now this is what the inside looks like. It's like a mesh honeycomb. I'm gonna click here and change the temperature, and you can see, yeah, I'm pretty sure you can see the temperature change. That is crucial for a lot of photography, videography. This is what it looks like without it again. Let me start turning everything on, and then the one facing me. So there is that lighting. As you can see, I've been playing with lights. I haven't been slacking around, not doing anything. I'm really looking forward to upping my production in my videos. And I have a slider rail here that will go in front, because right now I have a quick release so I can do this type of thing. But you can see here that this is the way I have my camera, just sitting on a box of a product that I'm reviewing, and this is the look in front of me. So you can see the monitor hookup, that is how I'm doing everything. My PC is quiet right underneath me. I have a video to do on that as well. But you can see that with this rail, I'll be able to replace that little box and have this camera on a proper, better looking setup. So yeah, there you guys have it. If you want one for yourself, you're wondering what to do, find it in the description down below. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. It's crooked. Alrighty, later.